Now.
You start, huh? What to do to start?
What is it? Where's the food?